Take this as a pinch of salt, but as per the first ever renders of the Galaxy S23 Ultra indicates that Galaxy S23 Ultra will be bulkier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Yes, comes with a slightly curved display, more like a flat display in simple. Also, the display is getting an update, a whopping 2000 nits peak brightness that we first saw on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and now Samsung will put in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But with these renders, the back is also flat. Looking at the design, that is why the metal frame on the Galaxy S23 Ultra looks thicker, because of its flatter design. Samsung didn't stop here, they came out with the rounded corners. Let me know, do you guys like rounded corners? Because Galaxy S22 Ultra sharp corners looks much better than what we are going to see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. For Samsung lovers or fans, Galaxy S22 Ultra design was inspired from Note series, but Samsung is returning back to its usual rounded design on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Not just that, as Ice Universe shared on Weibo, the camera lens is also getting a small update and a good update indeed, where on Galaxy S22 Ultra we get a flat lens, but coming with the S23 Ultra, we might get an elevated design on the Galaxy S23 Ultra module. You can say just like the Galaxy Watch 5. Also, nobody talks about this, but the lens size will be slightly bigger than the last generation. But what packs inside that camera lens is more exciting than the design of it. The mighty 200 megapixel camera. Best 200 megapixel camera ever seen on any smartphone, because Samsung exclusively launched the new sensor only for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the ISOCELL HP2. And as per first camera sample of the new camera, the camera improved a lot. As per this image, it was compared with the 108 megapixel of Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it was zoomed at 16x. That is why 200 megapixel brings more sharper image and good lighting condition. Also comes with a couple of new options, but one important option is 50 megapixel. Yes, you guys will get 3 options: 12.5 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 200 megapixel. Finally what people wanted, and Samsung is going out with it. You made this far, then it's time to subscribe to this channel. If you're just happy with these features, hold on guys, you guys don't know about one of the biggest updates over the years on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Snapdragon Gen 2, one of the most powerful processor ever made by Qualcomm. Yes, the raw performance on Snapdragon Gen 2 is competing with the A16 Bionic chipset, and in some cases, better than A16. Yes, as per numbers, Snapdragon Gen 2 will have 23% faster GPU than Dimensity 9200, and 11% faster GPU than A16 Bionic chipset. Finally, an Android processor going head-to-head with Apple's raw performance. There are also addition of new technologies like UFS 4.0, which will be twice as fast as UFS 3.1, and LPDDR5X RAM, which is 1.3 times faster than the last generation. Samsung will launch S23 Ultra before the time. We are likely to see S23 Ultra in January along with S23 and S23 Plus, a month earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you want to see the benchmarks where S23 Ultra beats iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you guys should check this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.